Before we start, let us pray. May I request Adrian Fernandez to lead a prayer. Amen. Good morning, class. Before you take your seat, please make sure that there is no paper or trash around you, and please align your chairs with your seatmates. Thank you. So now I'm going to check the attendance. Please say present when I call your name. Limuel Basa. Alvir Marco Gungon. Judel Cando. Adrian Fernandez. Julius Rivera. Karen Carino. Patricia Galang. Rachel Hipolito. Eliza Derrit. And Jasmine Torres. Okay, very good. No one is absent for today. Before we proceed to our next topic, let us try to solve this one. We have here x minus 8 times x plus 7. I'm giving you 3 minutes to answer this, and you can write it on your notebook. You may now start. Okay, time's up. So Eliza, what is your answer? So let us check if your answer is correct. Since both of them are binomials, we're going to use the FOIL method. So we have here, for the first terms, we have x squared. For the outer terms, we have positive 7x. For the inner terms, we have negative 8x. And for the last terms, we have negative 56. So combine like terms to get the final answer. So we have x squared. Positive 7 minus 8x is negative x. And the constant term is negative 56. So the final answer is x squared minus x minus 56. So your answer is correct, Eliza. How about the others? Very good. All of you got the correct answer. Last time we discussed about the polynomials. Who among you can still remember the meaning of it? Yes, Jasmine. Very good. Polynomial is an expression of more than two algebraic terms, especially the sum of several terms that contain different powers of the same variables. Today, we're going to tackle how to find the factors of polynomials using the factor theorem. We took up the other day the remainder theorem. Now we have another theorem as a result of the remainder theorem, and it is the factor theorem. Factor theorem is the result of the remainder theorem when the remainder is 0. It states that x minus c is a factor of p of x if and only if p of c is 0. It says that if we're going to substitute a given value to the given polynomial and the answer is 0, then that value is a factor of that polynomial. Using factor theorem to find the factors of a given polynomial, you need to follow 3 steps. And the first step that we're going to follow is this. Can you read it, Judel? Thank you. It says that we're going to substitute a factor of the constant term to the polynomial to find a factor of it. So let's say we have a given polynomial here. We have x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6. And the constant term here is, yes, positive 6 or 6. So by following the first step, we're going to substitute a factor of 6 to the given polynomial. So let's say we have 2. Let us substitute 2 to the given polynomial. So we have here p of 2 is equal to 2 cubed minus 4 times 2 squared plus 2 plus 6. And 2 cubed is 8 minus 2 squared is 4 times 4, we have 16. Then plus 2 and plus 6. 8 minus 16 is negative 8 plus 2, negative 6. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. So what can you say about x equals 2 or x minus 2? Yes, Julius. Very good. X minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. And that is how step 1 works. So let's proceed to the next step. So we have step 2. Can you read it, Jasmine? Step 2. Use in synthetic division the factor obtained in the first step. The factor we got from the first step is x is equal to 2. So 2 is our divisor in our synthetic division. So we have 2 as our divisor, and just copy the coefficient in our given polynomial. So we have here 1, negative 4, 1, and 6. Just bring down 1. Multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. Then multiplied by 2 is negative 4. 1 plus negative 4 is negative 3. Multiplied by 2 is negative 6. 6 plus negative 6 is equal to 0. After getting the quotient in the synthetic division, let's proceed to the third step. Step 3. Interpret the quotient in the synthetic division in terms of x and write it as a polynomial whose degree is 1 less than that of the given polynomial. So here is our quotient, and we're going to write it as a polynomial whose degree is less than of our given polynomial. So we have 1, it will become x squared. Negative 2 will become negative 2x. And negative 3 will become our constant term. Then what can you say about x squared minus 2x minus 3? Yes, it is factorable. So we need to factor x squared minus 2x minus 3. And the factor of this is x minus 3 and x plus 1. Therefore, the final factors of our given polynomial is x minus 2, x minus 3, and x plus 1. Did you get it, class? Okay, I have one question. How do you find factors of a given polynomial using a factor theorem? Yes, Rachel. Very good. Just following the 3 steps in factor theorem, you can get the factors of a given polynomial. For you to understand it more, let's try to answer this one. So we have here x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 6. Just write it in 1/2 crosswise, and I'll give you 5 minutes to answer this. You may now start. Okay, time's up. What is your answer? Okay, let us find if that is correct. Our constant term here is negative 6. So let's try negative 2 to substitute in the excess. So we have p of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 cubed plus 4 times negative 2 squared plus negative 2 minus 6. Negative 2 cubed is negative 8. Negative 2 squared is 4 times 4 is positive 16. Then minus 2 and minus 6. Minus 8 plus 16 is 8. Minus 2, 6, and 6 minus 6 is 0. Therefore, x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. So let us use negative 2 in our synthetic division. Just write the coefficient 1, 4, 1, negative 6. Bring down 1. Multiplied by 2, negative 2. We have 2, 2, multiplied by negative 2 is negative 4. 1 plus negative 4 is negative 3. Multiplied by negative 2 is positive 6. Then negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Then next step is, very good, write the quotient into a polynomial whose degree is less than 1 to the given polynomial. So we have here x squared plus 2x minus 3. Is this a factorable? Yes. Then the factor of this is x plus 3 and x minus 1. Therefore, the final factors of our given polynomial is x plus 2, x plus 3, and x minus 1. And who got the correct answer? Very good, class. All of you got the correct answer. And get one whole sheet of paper and we're going to have a short quiz. Match column A with which contains the polynomials with the column B which contains the factors. I'm giving you 15 minutes to answer this, and after 15 minutes, finish or not finish, you need to pass your papers. You may now start. Okay, time's up. Pass all your papers in the front. Okay, class, for you to masterize our topic, which is finding the factors of a given polynomial using factor theorem, try to answer this at your home. So we have here p of x is equal to 3x cubed minus x squared minus 10x plus 8. And for number 2, we have p of x is equal to x cubed plus x squared minus 5x plus 3. Just solve it in your notebook and we're going to check it tomorrow. And that is the end of our discussion for today, class. Let us all stand and goodbye and thank you, class. Before you leave, make sure that your chairs are aligned with each other. Thank you.